Do you want to generate $800 this day? With a few clicks with your mouse, you can finish the job 90% of the way done, and you can start getting your first payment immediately. There are thousands upon thousands of strategies and methods that people have used to get money through online means. Unfortunately, there are only a handful of these strategies that have shown themselves to be effective and will actually get you real money. It's quite easy to do this specific strategy. It merely consists of going to a free website, selecting from a bunch of different logo designs, and submitting it to people looking for someone to assist them in their logo creations. It's that simple, and with that, you will be able to generate somewhere around $800 in one day. Stick with me until the end and you will get bonus tips and tricks on how to go about this money-generating trick. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now, let's get right into the video. I would like for you to go to the website latium.org when you're done watching this video. Do pay their main page a visit to be able to understand how things work there more, as well as looking through the different features they have to offer in their website. As we look through the website, we can see several projects I have put some work into. As we can see here, people are able to create hundreds of dollars. Each project is funded with thousands of dollars, millions even. Fortunately, many options are made available here. There is an unlimited amount of tasks that you can select from. You may be here on this website. I will also demonstrate to you how to generate big amounts of cash as well, and you don't even have to do so much. Because of this, you can just chill and sit back when doing things. The effort you put in will grant you rewards as well. People all over the world are also seen here as well. Here in this part of the website, we can see that our jobs are being categorized here. The left side here, as an example, shows the options, usability, training, and registrations. These are segmented into a few categories. The translation app may be used to download animation and video here. To be able to guide you and to save time, I'll be informing you of tips and tricks on what is effective and what is not. You could be generating a ton of money should you be working on this at this very moment. For you viewers out there, at this point of the video, I will be demonstrating to you a specific section in the website, Graphics and Design. Go to the Graphics and Design section of the Explore Projects website page, and it will show you the endless projects that you can take on. To reassure you, work experience and skills on graphics and design is not required here. Because of this, it makes this whole process convenient for anyone doing it. Doing this grants you money, and doing it as a business is also okay. Let's go back here and see the available projects here. If you are new to this, everyone is granted access to a lot of projects and jobs. Look at this example. Posted here is a project that looks like this one. The project requirements of the employer are located here. What you have to do here is to click on this project, and it will redirect you to a page that will show you the amount of money that will be paid to you. Moreover, the pay here will be using the USD currency. Over here, the instructions and details of the projects will be seen. Since we are on the topic of graphics and design, I am here to assure you again that you won't be making any graphic art designer logos. You just simply need to go to the website freelogodesign.org. And as we can see here, this website provides free online services for anyone who wants to do logo making. In this page of Free Logo Design, we can see the hundreds of various logos that they have made for companies worldwide. I will be demonstrating to you right now how you can do that, and additionally, I will be showing several examples and tips on this. First off, a company name is what you need. Second would be selecting from one of the categories here. Now you will be typing in the company name in this blank right here, and you will be doing this so that your company name will show up on the logo. From there, you will need to know what the category of the company is under. Just look through the categories that are shown in this left sidebar, and you'll eventually see one that will fit the category of your company. Just click on the Get Started button here and it will load. From what you've just seen, different logos are displayed here. Just by clicking on one of them, Free Logo Design is able to help you in generating a lot of various logo designs that you can utilize for free. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Alright, so look through here and choose a design to your liking. Let's say you go to page 2 here because none of the logos on the first page stood out to you. As shown, the logo design will be featuring your company name. Should the logo you chose not be sufficient enough for the client, you can always just go back to Free Logo Design and choose another logo from there. There is a wide variety of logo designs that you can select from, and you don't even need to be skilled in graphics and design for this. As I stated a while ago, for the ones with no experience, this is one of the easiest methods to do in order to create money at this time. Just select on them and then on the Add button. From there, they will be put on your canvas, prepared for any sort of edits or customization that you would like. Let's take this logo as an example. You are given the freedom to change up where you want to place this specific element right here, as well as make them look smaller or bigger and a bunch of other graphic edits. Here you can bring in more text, change font styles, change colors, and basically a lot of other things that you can do edit-wise. Over here, you can look at the preview of your logo using the preview button, and what's great about this is that it is compatible with a lot of devices such as your computer, tablet, or phone. When you're done editing the logo, you can now save it by pressing the Save button. Now let's go back to Latium and see the many various projects here. You can see that a lot of employers here are looking to find people that can create logos for them and that they are able to pay thousands for them. The only thing you need to do here is to sign up in Latium, and it will redirect you to a page wherein you will input your email address. Once done, you will then be able to sign up for a free account and you can begin generating cash. If you watch until the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus tip. Another alternative website that you can go to is Fiverr.com. Essentially, this website is quite similar to Latium, wherein you can see projects that are similar to. The only thing you need to do here is to input the keyword logo design into the search bar. You will then see that there are so many different logo designs here, just like in Latium. Fiverr helps others create money just by helping them out in logo creation. To include on this, so many people out there are searching for people willing to help them in their logo creations, and you can do that for them. The only thing you need to do is create an account in freelogodesign.org and look for logos there with just a few mouse clicks, and from there, you've pretty much done most of the work. That's it for today's video tutorial on how to create money through Latium. Again, as I mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. Good luck and see you in our next video.